Have weather here with a video looking at floods hitting the Indian district of Kanyakumari in the state of Tamil Nadu. Heavy rain throughout the day led to widespread floods on November the 12th, 2021. A number of homes were destroyed by the floods. Schools and colleges were closed as students could not attend classes. A high number of crops were destroyed by the rain, affecting low-lying areas. Floods have also been observed in other areas of Tamil Nadu as high rainfall affects the state. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.